Hi, my name is Hilde van Dijk. I'm an organizing professional in the Netherlands.
My name is Madalina and I'm from Bucharest, Romania.
My name is Lucy and I'm based in Amsterdam.
My name is Sarah. I'm from Lörrach, Germany.
It's the World Organizing Day. Have you ever wondered what professional organizers think?
What is one organizing task that I enjoy that others often find tedious? I would say it's sorting paperwork.
I love organizing paperwork.
I love organizing tiny things and papers.
Going through stuff that has become forgotten and is now very dusty.
My favorite aha moment with my clients is when they realize that they can organize once they have the right strategies and methods that fit their way of thinking and their way of life.
When my clients find out they always had a system, it just wasn't mainstream.
When people realize that they never chose to have that clutter or that item in the first place, and that it was just given to them, and now they have to take responsibility, find storage, just declutter that and feel guilty about it if they actually never chose it in the first place. I think it's always a beautiful moment to let go.
When my clients discover that they can really maintain organizing because they didn't believe before, that's my favorite aha moment ever.
What's one organizing myth you would love to debunk?
Do we get only one? There are so many. But my one would be that organizing means minimalism. Would just love to rewrite that one.
That buying new organizers is creating a system.
Well, I would love to debunk that you have to fold your clothes in order to be organized.
Everyone can organize. It's not that simple, not for all people, especially not for people who live with chronic disorganization or with certain challenges.
How do you celebrate small wins with your client?
And sometimes it's just a high five, and sometimes when it's not just a small win but a slightly bigger win, I bring cake because life is too short not to enjoy cake.
Online with tapping herself on the shoulder or with a big yay.
Usually high five or even a little happy dance or just a little happy scream. It just depends on how excited we are.
If you could describe the organizing community in one word, what would it be? Brains.
Beaks?
Business family.
Well, one word is impossible. The organizing community is an incredible group of warm, friendly, generous, smart people that always have my back when I need them.
Happy Organizing Day from ICD
Europe.
Europe.